Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I'm in a good mood today, man. Besides the fact that it's literally snowing outside. I swear to God, if this snow actually sticks out here, I'm fighting somebody today. I don't care. Today, we got the Galaxy Book Pro 360. We got to go ahead and unbox this thing finally for the channel. It's a 13-inch here with the 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. I got this with the Black Friday offer. I got it for like 900 bucks. So let's go and check this out and see what's up with it. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, and like, no cap, I think I'm like on my third unit of the Galaxy Book Pro 360 right now. If you want to skip this, just go through the timestamps. I won't judge you. I'll judge you a little bit, but I won't judge you that much. First reason I returned is because it had some weird defect where like the screen was glitching, and I don't know what was up with that, so I sent it back to Best Buy and they gave me a replacement. Second reason was because like I think I bought that thing like 2 days before the Black Friday offers, and then I just basically got screwed, so I returned it to them without me knowing that I could have just got the money back without me returning it. And also the speaker had like a weird rattling issue, so I don't know, that's like 2 defects in a row, so I don't know what's going on with this thing. Or actually no, this is my 4th unit because the second unit didn't really have any issues. I think I returned it because of that Black Friday offer. And now here we are again with the 4th one. That's why they're all out of stock, because I keep getting all of them. So yeah, this ain't gonna be my first impression, probably not even for y'all, but this is gonna be my first unboxing for y'all. Anyway, let's go and check out the box real quick. So we got Galaxy Book, we got the Galaxy Book here itself. Like I said, I got the 512 gigs of storage SSD with the 16 gigs of RAM. I'm technically coming from a Galaxy Book Flex with this thing, so I'm saying that because I sent the Galaxy Book Flex over to Samsung, the 15-inch version, and basically they didn't want to fix it, so they just gave me my full retail refund. But while that was being serviced or whatever they was going to do with it, I was actually using the 2019 Notebook 9 Pro by Samsung, which also is getting sent out to them because one of the USB-C ports ain't working no more. I don't know why I sent out the Galaxy Book Flex. It must have been minor. It wasn't really a big deal, but I wanted to send it out anyway. But anyway, looking here on the left side, we got Galaxy Book Pro 360. On the right side, we have Samsung, and at the bottom, we don't really got nothing except for my specs. As you can see there, Windows 10 Home, which can be upgraded to Windows 11 Home. We got a Core i7 13.3-inch Full HD Touch AMOLED. We got 16 gigs of RAM, and then we got no hard drive, but we do have an SSD. At the top, though, we got our Intel Inside logo, and at the back, we just got a battery symbol here for when they got to ship it out, I guess. So now we got to go and get into this plastic wrapping here, and then we can just go ahead and pull up the box. So let's go and get into this. And just easy, light work right there. All we got to do is just peel it off like I said. Going ahead and taking that off. Here is our Galaxy Book Pro 360. But I gotta say, for a laptop that's this powerful and thin and light, like this thing is really, really dope. I'm really loving the Galaxy Book Pro 360. But let's go and get this box open real quick. So we just gotta go ahead and pull this up. And here's our Galaxy Book Pro 360. All right, so actually this doesn't seem like the correct direction it's usually in. Usually it's this way, so they put it in the wrong way. All right, so let's go and get it out this dryer sheet real quick because Samsung always keeps shipping out their laptops in dryer sheets. I keep bringing this up. I mean, look at this. You see the resemblance, right, with my Gain dryer sheets? Yeah, I thought so. These do actually smell pretty good over here now. So how I do unboxings on YouTube is I get into the product first and then I get to the things inside the box. So let's go and look at this Galaxy Book Pro 360 here, and as you can see, it's already getting fingerprints because this thing catches a lot of fingerprints. This Galaxy Book, I think, catches the most fingerprints that I've ever seen before. Like, it's kind of crazy. I wish it wasn't like that, even more than my Galaxy Book Flex, but yeah, I don't think I've seen anything else that's worse than this Galaxy Book right here. But let's go and get this thing open real quick. One-handed open, and as you can see, it opens there, but I really don't know why YouTubers continue to do this exactly like I just did just now. I don't really care for the one-handed opening test. I could just open it with 2 hands if I needed to, and then like it's not that big of a deal. All right, anyway, looking over here, we can see that we got our AMOLED screen, we got our webcam here at the top, which is not that good, and then you can see here we got a Samsung logo at the top of the laptop. If I focus in on this real quick, you can actually see that we got 2 microphones. Looking at the keyboard here, it's honestly a decent keyboard. You got the fingerprint scanner here, and then you got one of the best touchpads I've ever used. Checking out the left side, we got a USB-C port, we got a Thunderbolt, and then we got a power light. At the front, we can actually see that we got the microphones I already told you about, and then we actually got the slit here so you can go and get the laptop open easier, so that's dope. On the right side, we got a micro SD card slot, we have another USB-C port, and then we got an actual 3.5mm headphone jack, which is on the right side instead of the left side. I don't really know why, but you can see here, we only got that much ports in here. Like, I know how slim and light this thing is, but still I would have liked to see like a full-size USB or something. On the back here you can see that we got a fan intake, and at the actual lid we got our Samsung logo with all those fingerprints already. Like, come on, man. And then at the bottom you can see here more fingerprints, but we got sound by AKG, and then we got my serial number, model number, all that there at the bottom. And then we got 2 speakers here at the bottom, which honestly it ain't really that good. Like, if you have a Samsung laptop that's a Galaxy Book or a notebook or even a Samsung ATIV, you know their speakers has never really been that good besides the Galaxy Book is. Now let's go and get into the box. So as you can see here, we actually have our USB-C to USB-C cable here, and it's actually pretty long, so that's decent. We got a 65-volt fast charger here, which is actually pretty dope for Samsung anyway, because they haven't really provided anything like this before. So it's a super fast charger here, and it's Type-C to Type-C, so bravo Samsung, that's pretty dope. And also, just look how small this thing is, man. Like, this thing is dope for portability, so good looking out, Samsung. We got our S Pen here, non-Bluetooth like they did last year with the Galaxy Book Flex, which had the gestures that made you look like a magician trying to cast a spell or something. But this is more like the Tab S8 S Pen, again, without Bluetooth though. And then we got a user manual, but you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side, as always. Now let's go and get this thing booted up, but if you didn't know this, now you know. The S Pen actually magnetizes here to the back of the laptop, which I don't like because it just keeps falling off. With the Galaxy Book Flex, it was just integrated into the actual body of the laptop, but on here it just goes on the back like they just threw it there because why not? There's nowhere else for it to go. I ain't really feeling that. I feel like they should at least put stronger magnets on this thing because yeah, it ain't really sticking on there that well. Alright, so first up, let's go and peel this fingerprint scanner sticker real quick. And the thing is, with all Samsung laptops, whether it's dead or not, you actually have to plug it in for the first time when you first buy it, otherwise it's not going to turn on. So now that we got it plugged in, we got a red LED indicator here, and then we should have a battery percentage right there. Alright, so now let's go and turn this thing on. And let's go and give this thing a minute. We got Samsung, and then we got Galaxy. Hold on, give me a minute. Galaxy, there we go, bang. And that's our AMOLED display here. You could definitely tell it's AMOLED because it's just pitch dark, there's nothing else, and now here we go, we're booting it to the Windows 10. So you can actually buy the Windows 10 or Windows 11 version on Samsung.com, but I think if you get Windows 11, you can't downgrade to 10, so I just get 10. Continue and select the language, let's go and hit on yes real quick, and now let's go ahead and turn up the volume real quick. No issues. Alright, so I'm gonna go and set this thing up real quick, and then I'll get back to y'all. Alright y'all, so we're all done. Took about 7 minutes to set up, that's not bad. So the fans did spin up a little bit while it was going on, but I could barely hear it. Now if I actually feel it, yeah, it's like barely warm, like, so we're good. So alright y'all, I'm gonna go and get up out of here now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get more usage out of this thing, and I'll go ahead and let y'all know what I think about it in a full review like a month from now. So far though, this is like maybe my first week impressions with the Galaxy Book Pro 360. This thing is a dope laptop, and I'm also glad I didn't get it in the 15-inch version because I'm just not a fan of those bigger screens. But Samsung, you gotta make a 14-inch version because I feel like a 13-inch is too small sometimes, but 15-inch is just like way too big, so I need like Goldilocks right now. And y'all better not clip what I just said and then just twist it on me. Trent, I'm talking to you. Alright man, I'm up out of here, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe, but go and follow me on my social media at Eccentric on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. Let me know what y'all think about the Galaxy Book Pro 360 and if y'all will get one, because like I said, they're running like a Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal right now. Today's Monday, so I don't know how long this is gonna last. The day I'm recording this is probably the last day the deal's going on, but it's running for like $900, and I feel like for even retail it's like worth that much because I paid that much. But anyway, y'all, I'm out here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out. Now, if you want to know what the max fan speed sound like, yeah, I mean, that's pretty loud, but it should never have to get to that level. Also, Samsung, y'all gotta stop messing with McAfee, man. There's nothing wrong with Windows security. I know y'all gotta get y'all bag, but I ain't feeling that. McAfee itself is a virus, I feel like. So if you do get a Galaxy Book Pro 360, uninstall that, or any Samsung laptop.